Annie Crummer is back in Gisborne, helping young musicians prepare for the East Coast Smokefree Rockquest heats next weekend. This is the third time Crummer has been here, returning again under the New Zealand Music Commission Musicians Mentoring and Skills Program funded by the Ministry of Education.
You guys are so lucky in this region. I mean, it's so not Auckland. In every way. Nothing wrong with Auckland, yeah. But Gizzy town, fantastic. There's a whole heap of talent in this region.
Girls High senior band Ludus, made up of Elle Williams, Turnbull and Cheyney Biddlecombe, say sessions with Crummer are incredible.
She's one of the top people in the industry. She knows what she's doing, she knows what's going on, and she's always got the best insight for us.
Yeah.
And she's really understanding. She's got an amazing broad genre, I guess.
The melting pot, see what love can do, and For Today singer says, seeing the improvement in young musicians she has already mentored a year on is a real highlight.
Yeah, the ones that have come back, you really do see an improvement, and they've all morphed into the stratosphere, even in that little time. And it's great to catch up with them. And the most important thing, selfishly for me, is that it's me that learns from them.